Hello everyone, my name is Reem Ahmed. I'm part of the TSP team from Nile.com. So today we'll be talking about some business challenges that occurs daily in any organization and how we can overcome these challenges using System Center family together with the private cloud capabilities. For today we'll be talking about how we can automate the process of file recovery, and we'll be doing this by using System Center products across the 3 layers of System Center. So from the services management layer, we will be using Service Manager. From the orchestration layer, we'll be using Orchestrator. And finally, from the management layer, we will be using the Data Protection Manager. Basically, our scenario is that we have a user, and this user has access to a document, keeps on writing data in this document until at some point this document gets corrupted. In a normal environment, the user will go with a request for the IT admin in order for the IT admin to recover the document for this user. This request is really familiar in any organization because document corruption can really happen occasionally in any organization. So it will lead to that the IT admin keeps on doing this redundant IT process. This is where the role of System Center comes, where we can automate the process of this file recovery to offload the IT admin from these redundant processes. So what we will do in our scenario today is that we will offer the user with a self-service portal from which he can request to recover this corrupted document. After submitting this request, an orchestrator runbook will be triggered, and this orchestrator runbook will go for Data Protection Manager and let it recover the corrupted document to an earlier valid version. Okay, so this is simply the scenario for today. Let's see it in action. Let's first check on the file. This is the file that we will do the demo on today. This is the text available in the file. We will change this text. Okay, click Save. And then we'll try to recover this file to the earlier version that we've seen in the beginning. What we will do, as we've mentioned before, is that we will log into the self-service portal. Our user for today is called Walid. Local. Okay. Again, Walid at Nile.com lab.local. Nile at 123. So now we are expecting to see the service offerings that this user has access to. He has access to some offerings related to the data center and some offerings related to the human resources management. We will be using the offering concerned with the data protection services. And here we will find that the user can do one of 2 things: either restore a mailbox or a folder, or restore a file. So we will be choosing the file restoration option. Go to request form, and here we will enter the file name. Can get it from here. Okay, sorry. And we can restore to the same location, overwrite the file in order not to create another copy of the file. Click next and submit the request. Each submitted request has an ID. We can go in Service Manager and check if the request has been successfully submitted. 2714, we can go here in all open service requests. Click refresh. And here you can see that the request has been submitted and it's currently in progress. If we open this request, we can see the activities concerned with this request. As we've mentioned before, that there will be a runbook that will be initiated after submitting this form, and it's really valid here. The runbook is here in the activities. Of course, the activities can be customized based on the organization needs. So here we can add an approval activity by which the request has to be approved first by the IT admin before the orchestrator runbook be initialized. So now we can go to orchestrator and check if the runbook is currently running. So it's currently running. What this runbook simply does is that it takes the value of the file name from the submitted request, compare the values of this file with an earlier version, an earlier valid version of the file, and then run a dpm PowerShell command by which we can recover the file to this earlier version. So the orchestrated runbook is now done. We can go back to the file to check if it has been recovered, and as you see here, it has been recovered to the earlier valid version. So this is our scenario for the day. Thank you for listening.